Presenting the 2004 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.